All praises to our Heavenly Father. I thank our Heavenly Father for everything. Our Heavenly Father told us to meditate in the book of the law day and night. We are supposed to meditate in the book of the law day and night. And that's found in Joshua chapter 1, verse 7 to verse 9. Joshua chapter 1, verse 7 to verse 9. And also in Psalm chapter 1, verse 1 to verse 3. Psalm chapter 1, verse 1 to verse 3. So, on looking into the book of the law, trying to meditate in the book of the law, earlier this morning, I came across Leviticus chapter 20, verse 7 and verse 8. Leviticus 20, 7 and 8. And it says, "Sanctify yourselves, therefore, and be ye holy, for I am Yah, your Elohim. For I, Yahweh your Elohim," verse 8, "and ye shall keep my statutes and do them. I am Yahweh, which sanctify you." So in verse 7, our Heavenly Father says, "Sanctify yourself. Sanctify yourself, therefore, and be holy, for I am Yahweh your Elohim." In verse 8, he says, "And ye shall keep my statutes and do them. I am Yah, which sanctify you." So it is his laws and his commandments that is what sanctifies us. That is what makes us holy. That is what makes us that is what sanctifies us. So when he tells us to sanctify ourselves, it is his laws and his commandment that sanctifies us by keeping it. Because in verse 7, it says, "Sanctify yourself, therefore." Sanctify yourself and be holy, for I am holy. In verse 8, it says, "And ye shall keep my statutes and do them. I am Yahweh, which sanctifies you." It is the law of the Most High that sanctifies us, like it says in the book of Psalms. In the book of Psalms, it says that his law is what converts us. His law converts our soul. So we were definitely told to be holy. And to be holy is to be set apart, to be different, to not be like others, to not act like others, to not eat like others, to not behave like others. That is what it means to be holy, to be different, different from others, to act differently, to behave differently, but not just to be differently, but to do it all according to the law, because it's the law of the Most High that sanctifies us. It's his law that keeps us, makes us to be different, because most people will not keep his laws. Most people in the world will not keep his laws. Most people don't want to keep his laws. So when we do keep his laws, it sets us apart. It makes us different. We dress differently. We eat differently. We act differently. But we do it all according to the law, because he tells us to be holy, to be set apart, to sanctify ourselves, and we have to do it. See, I'm not going to say, "Oh, I want God to, um, you know, uh, God to help me to be this or to be that." No, it's me. Like you see in verse 7, I have to sanctify myself. I have to keep myself holy. I have to withdraw myself from the world. I have to go according to the law. So he says in verse 7, "Sanctify yourself, therefore, and be ye holy, for I am holy." In verse 8, he says, "And ye shall keep my statutes and do them, for I am Yahweh, which sanctify you." So it is his law that sanctifies us, but I have to keep his laws in order to be sanctified. All praises to our Heavenly Father. I thank our Heavenly Father for everything. I'm so happy. I'm very grateful to our Heavenly Father to have his law. I'm very grateful to have his laws, and I will continue to keep his laws as long as I am alive, As long as I'm alive, I will continue to keep His laws, because it is His laws that truly, truly sanctifies us. All praises to our Heavenly Father.